Everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to change your language to another language. First of all, if you open Google Chrome, you will see everything is in English language. So if you are Arabic or German or Spanish from any country you live in, if you want to change to your native language, this is the process through which you can change your language in Google Chrome. So first of all, we'll go to these three arrow button, and it is the updated version of Google Chrome. In the older version, you will find settings here, but in the updated version, the settings option is a little bit down. So here you will find the setting option. Click on the settings option. Go to language, and here you can see that there are three languages: English, United States, English, Australia. If I want to delete this one, I can just click on remove, and if I want to add another language, I will just click on add language. So from you can easily select your desired um, language from here. You can select Dutch, you can select mm, Filipino, French, etc. So just click on Filipino, click on add, and just click on display Google Chrome is in this language. So within these very simple steps, and you can easily change your language settings in Google Chrome. So if you like this kind of video, do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends and family, and do let us in the comment section what kind of videos you like. We will see you in another day. Thank you.